Sri Anubhava Mohanty.
Madam speech.
Oh, maiden speech. Then,
Madam speech.
okay, then you can take maximum 15 minutes. Maximum 15 minutes.
Sir, I don't know how long will I get to speak because I'm quite nervous since yesterday. I had a sleepless night yesterday, sir. Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, as today is my maiden speech in this great Rajya Sabha, and being the youngest member ever in the history of Rajya Sabha.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I am 32. I seek the.
But this is a house of elders.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
I seek the blessings of you and each and all. Sir, all of us know that we are here to discuss something on the most important part of our country, the most important ministry, that's women and child development. So, but before speaking anything, I seek your permission to introduce myself in Odia, which is my mother tongue. Can I, sir, please? ମୁଁ ଅନୁଭବ ମହାନ୍ତି ଜଣେ ଖାଣ୍ଟି ସ୍ୱାଭିମାନୀ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଟୋକା। ଏଠି ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ସମସ୍ତ ଗୁରୁଜନମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ମୋର ହାତ ଯୋଡ଼ି ବିନମ୍ର ନମସ୍କାର ଜଣାଉଛି। Sir, all of us know that a new government has come into power, and the entire nation, including me, impose great faith and expectations on them. And I strongly believe that this government will not leave a single stone unturned to reciprocate the love of crores of innocent Indians who have voted them and made them rule. Sir, but I also fear that this might not be possible if we ignore the women and children of our country. India has 440 million children. About 27 million children are born each year. But nearly 2 million children do not live up to the age of 5. It's very strange, very shocking, but true. And one of the major reasons behind this is malnourishment. So this malnourishment begins when the child is in its mother's womb itself. It's a shame on us. We say we are from a developing country. We say that we are going towards more development. But what development, sir, if the basic facilities are not available in the hospitals during delivery of a child or a birth of a child? To add to this, lack of trained doctors, proper medical facilities, these things really make me very much tensed. Even if I'm a youngster, I don't have a child yet. Sir, according to the World Bank report on malnutrition in India, an astounding 47% of the children suffer from a varying degree of malnutrition. According to the Planning Commission data, 32% of our population lives in utter poverty. Sir, we fail to realize somewhere that this malnourishment has some direct repercussions on the development of our country. But sir, malnourishment is not just the only problem that the children of our country face. Another very big, I think one of the biggest problems that our children face is child labor. In simple, I can say, sir, India has got the largest number of child laborers in this whole world. I just went through a survey. Sir, I am a film actor. Few minutes back, before starting my speech, one of my senior members said me, "Ki why do you have to speak? Because you are a film actor, you don't know much on this topic." But I just want to say, everyone, this is not just a topic for only politicians or social workers. It is a topic for each and every one of us. Sir, I would like to highlight the plight of several hundred children who are suffering and who are forced to work in hazardous industries like firecracker manufacturing, brick kilns, and many. Despite of the fact that employment of children under the age of 14 years in our country is outlawed. Yes, it's prohibited. Still, it's a habit, mostly in dhabas, in restaurants, in small-scale industries, paper manufacturing things, and so many. It won't be sufficient time for me to speak everyone. But it's a shame on us, being responsible citizens of India. Sir, we politicians or we the members of this Rajya Sabha cannot do everything. The people of our nation have to realize the fact that everyone is responsible for this. We all should come forward for this. Sir, as per an NSO survey of 2009 and 10, the number of working children in our country is estimated at a shocking 49.84 lakh. Some of you might say it's a very small number. But sir, this estimation is not the real estimation. There are thousands of more children whose plight goes unreported. Sir, at one point we say that children are the basic pillar of our nation. Children are our future. Children are the ones who are going to take this country forward. But at the same time, we don't understand the real plight of small children who don't even know, don't even understand how to speak out their pain before any elder of this country. So if this is the plight of the children now in our country, I wonder, we must ask ourselves where India will stand 20 years down the line. So we all are here, we all are privileged to be here. But I have been watching this Rajya Sabha since a month. I'm 35 days old in Rajya Sabha. But I have been watching, sir, may whatever be the issue, अगर हम बच्चों की बात करते हैं तो we blame the government. अगर हम industrialization की बात करते हैं, we blame the government. I'm not saying this side government or that side government. I'm saying in common, what I have been watching here since last 35 days. But I just want to say, कि ये सरकार है कौन? ये सरकार है कौन सर? आज नहीं, कल शाम से मैं इस विषय पर चर्चा सुनता आ रहा हूं. सतीश जी ने शुरुआत की थी. आज मुझ पे अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ, मेरे बाद भी काफी लोग बोलने वाले हैं. बट स्टिल आई वंडर, जब कल से इस विषय पर डिस्कशन हो रहा है, इस तरफ से बोल रहे हैं कि हमने इतने सुविधाएं बनाई थी, इस तरफ से बोल रहे हैं कि वो सुविधाएं लोगों तक पहुंची नहीं थी. सर, हमको ये चीज समझना चाहिए कि राजनीति हर चीज का मसला नहीं होता है, हर चीज का सॉल्यूशन नहीं होता है. So lakhs of meetings, seminars, conferences, debates like this may be held in any part of this world. Thousands of sages, saints, educationalists, prophets, politicians may deliver the speeches for hours together, yet this problem shall not have its solution. What is needed is consciousness, awareness, and a habit of careful watch in each and every one of us. The time demands that we all should come forward, breaking all the barriers of caste, creed, community, religion, political parties, and stand for those crores and millions of children who believe कि उनके साथ कोई हो ना हो, कम से कम राज्यसभा के 245 एमपी तो हैं उनके अच्छे भले के बारे में सोचने के लिए। सर, आई एम नॉट ए पॉलिटिशियन सर, आई एम जस्ट ए नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग। मैं पॉलिटिक्स यहां से नहीं, यहां से करता हूं। Why I said I apologize अगर गलती से मेरे से कुछ गलत कहा बोल दिया जाए। सर, sir, few minutes back I was watching few school children sitting there in the gallery watching us, listening on this great topic with a hope that they'll definitely listen something good and the solution will definitely come out to be very, very fruitful and extremely good for them. I am really unfortunate that they're not here now, but still, few days back, all of us must be aware about the rape case in Bangalore, a school girl. Sir, we cannot just blame the government and we cannot just say, yes, you are doing nothing, you are doing everything. We have to ask ourselves that what security do we provide to our girl children in their schools, even in their homes and even in public places? अगर हमारे देश के बच्चे अपने ही घरों में, अपने ही स्कूलों में, अपने ही सड़कों में सुरक्षित नहीं है, तो क्या अगर वो देश के बाहर जाए तो हमें खुशी होगी? ये उम्मीद पर जाए कि हमें इस देश में सुरक्षा नहीं मिल रही? I wonder, sir, if this continues, then there will be nobody left even to vote us. We are in such a crisscross where we have to really think and we have to judge what is the actual reason behind all this. Sir, I, Anubhav Mohanty, wholeheartedly say to the present government and especially to the Honorable Minister of Women and Child Development that if your commitment and your feelings towards the children and women of my country, our country, is really genuine and true, then I am with you. My entire state, Odisha, is with you. This is a message on behalf of my entire state to you. Ma'am, I request you to put proper look on this topic. And I also want to say, sir, कि बहुत सारे विषयों पर जब चर्चा होती है, सदन भरा हुआ रहता है.
2 more minutes.
Yes, sir. I will conclude before that, sir. बहुत सारे विषयों पर जब चर्चा होता है तब ये सदन भरा हुआ रहता है, पर इतने जरूरी विषय पर जब चर्चा हो रही है सदन पर बहुत कम लोग मौजूद हैं. It's a very big shame. We should have all members sitting and discussing on this great topic. Sir, I would like to end my topic saying a quote that I had read when I was a child. My father had taught me that. As once the famous Elizabethan playwright William Shakespeare said in his famous play The Tempest, in the mouth of Miranda, a brave new world. Sir, I strongly believe that the day when each and every child of our country will smile from his or her heart, then this brave new world will be a brave new India. Jai Hind, Jai Jagannath.
Thank you very much.